children. Today I am going to explain you how to write letters. That is letter writing. See here children, in exams you will get 4 to 5 marks for letter writing. It may be personal letter or official letter. See here, in letter writing two types are there. Types of letters. First one, formal letter and informal letter. See here children, there are two types of letter writing are there. First one is formal letter writing and second one is informal letter writing. What is the formal writing? See here, formal writing letter. Formal writing means this is an official letter. You may write to your headmaster or any office directors, any bank managers or any company directors you are writing letters. No, that one is calling as formal letters. Formal letters means that one you are writing to some officials. Means you may be you are going to write any college principal or any officials, officers, directors, managers. That type of letters are calling as formal letters. Formal letters, how it should be? Formal letter, how it should be? Formal letter, it should be contain first sender's address. It's containing sender's address. Who is writing no? That address, that person address should be begins in this letter. Official letter, first from address should be there. Okay. Then next, date. Date you should be mentioned like 13th December 2020. You should mention. This is the better way of mentioning the date. And next you should write to address. You have to leave one line here. You have to leave one line here. Next you go for to address. To whom you are going to write. Whether college principal, to the director, to the principal, okay, to the manager. Okay, this type you have to write to address. First from address you have to write and you have to mention the date and then you have to write to address to whom you are writing. Okay, then you have to write subject. Always subject should start regarding your LC after 10th or completion. If you are going to higher education, there you want LC, living certificate. You may write to your principal as regarding LC or living certificate or regarding disturbance of loudspeaker. If you want to complain to some police means you have to police officials means that time you may write regarding loudspeaker disturbance. This type regarding you, it is better way to start with the subject with the regarding. And next children you have to write respected sir or madam, to whom you are going to write. Whether you are writing to male, you have to mention that one as sir. If you are writing to female, you have to mention as madam. This is the respected, this is the salutation you have to give them after subject. Subject should always start from, it's better to start from regarding word. And next you have to write respected sir oblique or madam, to whom you are writing. Okay. Next you have to write the matter. That it's better to start, I would like to ask my living certificate for higher education. I would like to express my feelings about the loudspeaker that it is so much disturbing me in the morning time. This type you may write any problem, that street dogs, regarding street dogs you may write Is it? That time you have to write, I would like to draw your attention. That time for officers you have to write, I would like to draw your attention when you are going to write a problem about street dogs, about loudspeaker, about street lights, whatever it may be. If you want to write a complaint or if you want to say some problems to them means that time you have to write, I would like to draw your attention. This sentence is very impressive. So you may write, I would like to draw your attention regarding loudspeaker or street dogs or street lights, whatever it may be, that water problem, water supply problem. You may write the letter. So this is the formal letter. First you should write from address, date. Then you should go for to address. Then you have to write the subject. You may start that one with the word regarding. And next you should give salutation, that is a respected sir or madam. Then you go to the subject. Why you are writing? What is the problem you want to complaint on to the officials? That time you have to write that matter here. And next you have to go. Ending you should write always, I shall be thankful. I shall be thankful, or I shall be grateful. You may use this type of sentences. I shall be thankful at the end. At the end, you should use I shall be thankful to you. Or you may use I shall be grateful to you. This type sentences at the end you have to use. And lastly you have to mention your sincerely or yours faithfully, or you may write the name. Your name you have to write there. You may write there your sincerely or yours faithfully. This type you have to do the ending of the letter. Then you have to write your name and you have to do the signature. Okay? In exam, they will give one topic to you children. That name also they were giving there, and topic also they are giving. That from address and to address you have to write. At least you wrote from to address and at least one line subject and salutation means you will get at least 2 marks for that one. And next part you will get again 2 marks, and at the end you may write your sincerely, your faithfully. This is formal official letter, you have to mention this type. Your sincerely, yours faithfully, your name, this much only. If you wrote means you will get 2 to 3 marks without writing the body part. But you should write in exam. You will get minimum 5 marks for this letter writing. If you not understood how to write means at least you should start from address and to address, date, subject, respected sir or madam. This much only if you wrote means also you will get 2 marks children. So this is very important part of that language. You should cultivate to write the letters. That it is very important. And you will get easily, you can score the marks here. Next, this is about the formal letter or official letter. What about informal letters? Informal letters. Informal means this is the personal letter. Personal letters. You are writing to your father or your mother, your brother, your cousin, your friend, your relative, any relative you are writing, no? That letters are calling as personal letters or informal letters. In that letters, no need of all these one children. That personal letters you may write to your friends, your family members, your relatives, your parents, whatever it may be. All are coming under the informal letters. So here you may write your address, date, okay, this one as dear father or dear friend or dear brother, whatever it may be, to whom you are writing letter, no, that one you may start with dear, dear father, dear friend, dear brother, or your friend, dear friend XYZ, whatever it may be, you have to start with the dear. And you have to start this letter, I am fine here and hope you also be fine there. This is very important. When you are starting the informal letter, that time you have to start with this sentence is better, children. That I am fine here. I am fine here and hope you also be fine there. This is the starting sentence. This one you should write in personal letters or informal letters. You should start this letter, I am fine here and I hope you also be fine there. This is the starting sentence of this letter. And whatever the matter is there, why you are writing, to invite for your birthday or any function in your home, or if you want to give message to your father that you are studying well and your health is also good in your hostel. If you are in hostel, you want to say something to your father or your brother about your studies, you may write that matter here. And if you want to invite your friend to any function, means that time you may write that matter here in body part of the letter. Then you have to write at the end, you may write your lovingly, not sincerely or faithfully. That time you have to write your lovingly son or your lovingly friend or your lovingly brother or your lovingly sister. You have to mention. Don't write your faithfully or your sincerely, because that one you have to use in official letters, formal letters. But in formal letters you have to mention your loving son, your loving brother, this type your loving friend. This type you have to write at the end of the letter. Then you have to write your name. Then you have to mention your name, and this is the end of the informal or personal letter. So here letter writing, types of letter writing, two types are there. One is formal letter writing and another one is informal letter writing. Formal letter writing, letters you are going to write it to any officials, managers, directors and all. Personal letters you are writing to your parents, your relatives or your family members or your any friends. So children, this is the types of letters I explained here, and the important parts of the letter. What are the important parts of the letter you should cover while you are writing the letter? Letter ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. First one is the address. You have to mention your address. Second part is you have to write the date. This is very important. Okay. Next, third one, you have to write the salutation. Means you are writing no, your respected madam, sir, and you have to write the body part of the letter. Body of the letter. Why you wrote the letter? That message should be right here. And next, fifth one, you have to write the subscription. Okay. Next, sixth one, you have to write signature. Next, lastly, address of the recipient. The address of the recipients. These are the important parts of the letter writing. So you should cover all these points when you are writing a letter in exams. You have to follow all these: from address, to address, date, okay, subject, and respected sir or madam. If you wrote this much only means you will get at least 2 marks. Don't leave, don't, without attempting that one, you should not leave that one, children. Because if you attempted, if you not understand means also, if you wrote only from address to address means you will get 1 marks. So ಯಾರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದ steps, at least steps you have to follow, then at least you will get 1 or 2 marks. If you completed all these means you will get 4 to 5 marks for letter writing. Okay, they are giving the subtopic, they are giving ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬಾಡಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 2 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನ್ ಟು ಯು ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ದ marks. Okay children, this is about the letter writing for all classes. Okay, thank you.